Despite the fact that I daily drive a cool car, I'm still a gremlin at heart, and I keep so many things in my car that I need or I could need or I use every single day. So come with me to clean out the car. I'm gonna grab everything, throw it out the door, and pick it up from the yard later. Favorite Ouija board sweatshirt. This little suction cup phone mount thing I got pressured into buying. Sock. The other sock. My gym shoes. Dog's collar. Cover for when my dog gets in the car. And her seatbelt, which is still buckled in, and her harness. With my earbuds staying in the car because if I take these out, I will lose them. Notebook, this stays in the car. My drumsticks. So many socks. Such a gremlin. A receipt. My brewmate that I ran over with the car. A Red Bull can. A button. Bria, I'm sorry. This is the button battery I was looking for you for the other day, baby. It was right here this whole time. In the back seat, because this car has back seats for some reason. A jacket, a blanket, also for my dog, a shoe, a single dollar bill. I'm gonna keep this in the car. You never know when you need a dollar. Some gummies that have melted into a singular gummy. My old brake pads for my Lotus Elise. The rest of the brake. Why am I like this? What is wrong with me? The other shoe. Another brake pad. License plate that came on the car when we brought it in from California. I'm ashamed of myself. This is who I am as a person. It's probably going to get like this again.